Has China been outwitted? Has China been outsmarted? And is that desperation an indicator that China may try and up the ante? Are war clouds now looming large over Ladakh or all across the line of actual control? China has put out a number of propaganda videos of firepower demonstrations, of rockets being fired, of artillery being fired, of armor being moved. What does all of this indicate? Does China now want to up the ante, occupy unheld peaks, or try to make an ingress and hold some Indian territory before snows in October and mid-November? Remember, even the 1962 war happened in October and November. Abhishek Bhalla with our top story tonight.
After China's failure to dislodge Indian troops from the commanding heights of Rechinla and Rezangla overlooking the Moldo garrison, China released a propaganda video of artillery and rocket assault exercises in Tibet. Chinese state mouthpieces claimed the firepower demonstration had been carried out at an altitude of over 15,000 feet. China has steadily built up forces in the area south of Pangong Tso after being surprised and outmaneuvered by the Indian Army on the night of August the 29th and 30th.
While retreating, the Chinese troops, for the first time in 45 years, fired shots in the air to frighten the Indian troops. At a time when the talks are on to de-escalate the situation, the Chinese troops are creating another friction point south of Pangong Tso.
Having lost face thrice at the LAC, once at the Galwan standoff, the second time south of Pangong Tso, and finally with the Indian Army establishing pickets close to Finger Four, an increasingly frustrated China may resort to desperate measures to regain initiative at the line of actual control. And this may include either attempting to occupy unheld features at the LAC or a deep ingress across the LAC, which may result in armed clashes. With winters coming in, the window for opportunity for China to act is closing. In 1962, Chinese soldiers, after talking of Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, had attacked India in October 1962 and retreated within a month by mid-November.
China's PLA has had a policy of creeping into territory on the line of actual control of all over India, which is controlled by India and claimed by India. So the position in Ladakh has become very serious. But India has taken the heights which command some of these passes, which is called the Chushul Bowl, and it actually threatens a part of the road which goes from Tibet to Xinjiang.
Amidst the spiraling tensions, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar will interact with his Chinese counterpart, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting in Moscow. Will talks bring peace or be used by China to further strengthen its defenses at the line of actual control remains to be seen. But India clearly is taking no chances at the LAC. Bureau Report, India Today.